Congratulations! Get on!
I want to shout out to A-Team kasi they did their best during the intro part. Na talagang hindi sila papayag na mababa yung energy nila kumpara sa SB19. Because they are part of that production, so they have to have the same energy as SB19. Tapos kung papanoorin mo yung mga iba't ibang fan cams sa TikTok or sa YouTube, makikita mo na talagang nagble-blend in sila dun sa last part na dance break nila. Siguro yun yung binibigay ng SB19 sa mga kasama nila sa stage. So I'm so happy na nagkaroon ng ganitong collab and they were able to bring it bring it sa whole world na this is us, and whoever collabs with us will have the same energy and will have this great production number. Ayun. Sige na nga, tuloy na kayo. Pablo talaga. Sorry na. Si Pablo Juni, galit na galit. Parang gwapo-gwapo niya, cute-cute niya talaga. I like how he interacts with the audience. Tapos, it actually caught the attention of many people who really doesn't know SB19. Sino ba to? Who's this man with the ponytail? Sino ba siya? Sino ka ba? Oh, mabuti ba? Ayun, ganon yung feeling na nakita nila sila. Tapos, si Pablo kasi growl ng growl. Tapos, parang galit na galit. Parang hype na hype. Anyway, I'm just so glad. But, eto na kasi, dance break na. Kumukuda lang ako. Kasi tingnan ninyo how they are in sync together dito sa dance break. Tapos, actually, nung hinahanap ko nga sila, teka, kanina alam ko kung nasan yung huli. Kasi magkakatabi pa sila eh. Kita mo pa yung formation nila. Pero dito sa dance break, hindi mo na makita kung nasan sila. Tapos si Josh nandun sa bandang likod. Tapos si Ken, nagbang-bang-bang. Sabi ko, asan si Ken? Hindi ko siya nakita. Rinig na rinig lang yung boses. Ang nakikita ko lang si Stella at Pablo sa harapan. Pero kayo, kung first time nyo itong nakikita, or kung ilang beses nyo na nakita, tingnan nyo lang kung makikita nyo ba sila kaagad. Iba talaga. Siguro ngayon madali na silang makita dahil ilang beses ko na siya napanood. Parang, uy, I can easily identify where's Justin, Josh, and Ken. Si Justin nasa gitna, pero actually nalilito ako kung siya ba yun o part siya ng and team. Nung live ko siyang pinapanood, ang kitang-kita lang talaga kasi si Stella at saka si Pablo. Na alam mo, sila yung dalawa. Tapos, kasi si Justin, ayun pala, paulit-ulit ko siyang pinanood bago ko na-recognize na, ayun si Justin. Tapos, nakita ko si Ken na nandito sa kabilang side. Tapos, nasa kabila naman si Josh. Ganon. Pero, sobra to. Ewan ko. Um, hindi ko talaga, hindi ko mawari kung paano ako mag-get over dito. Uh, pero maraming salamat, SB19, for setting the standard so high for intro numbers, especially for award-giving bodies. And I hope that this will not be the only awards show na magpo-perform kayo at makaka-receive. Kasi we are already seeing and claiming that you will not only be stuck in Asia, but you will actually go worldwide. And you have been manifesting this nung mga times na wala pang masyadong kumikilala sa inyo at marami pang mga nagpo-pull down sa inyo. Pero ngayon, na mas marami nang nagsusuporta sa inyo at grabe kayo sa craft niyo, hindi kayo tumitigil. Alam ko that you will be renowned. Sasabay kayo internationally and you will be legends. Hindi na natin pag-uusapan yung ibang mga bagay, yung behind the scenes or yung mga pinagdaanan ninyo this year. Pero alam nyo, kahit na ano man mangyari, no matter what people try to take away from you, pera man yan o pangalan, they can never take away who you are. And they can never take away the talents that you have. So as long as you put your feet on the ground, keep your eyes above, and keep your faith, then you will stay. And hindi kami titigil na sumuporta sa inyo. Because we truly believe in you. And so, alam ko na yung mga sinabi ko, it's also what they believe in and what 18s believe in. At gusto lang natin na paulit-ulit na sabihin na yun. Mahal namin kayo, SB19, and we will keep on supporting you. So this is it for my reaction video to the premiere of AAA. And ngayon sila nag-premiere December 18 at 11 a.m. Okay? Maraming salamat po for those who are watching my videos, and keep on liking, subscribing, and sharing. I'm back on track, so watch out. There's more. Okay, bye.